My name is Astolfo. I am originally from Mexico, and I've lived in Phoenix for the last 30 years, and I'm a real estate broker. My credit had taken a plunge, and I needed to rebuild it, and I was looking for how do I kind of thing, and so there were some options that came in the mail, and Merrick Bank was one of them, and so I found it a bit interesting what they were offering. I also got other offers, and the catch was that you will get a line increase over time, and Merrick Bank actually did that. The other bank did not, and Merrick Bank, without me even asking about the line of credit increase, right on the spot at 6 months, they gave me the line increase, and so that speaks integrity for me. Working with Merrick Bank has been really great. They've been there for me. They've been very responsive, and the fact that I can actually take Merrick Bank card wherever I go. I travel to Mexico, and they accept it. So that's really a great benefit for me. I think that I probably have summed up my experience with Merrick Bank. It's been terrific. It's really just a cherry on top of the ice cream. So it's really nice.